It's time to start putting in the vegetables that go in after the frost here in the square foot garden. And this year we are participating in the Tennessee Home Garden Variety Trials. And so I have two different bush beans here. One is the Antigua and the other one is the Dulcina. We're going to be trying these next to each other and we'll be creating a report for University of Tennessee as part of this, but figured we could do it here. The plan that I have is that we're going to plant the first trial here in these two squares, one of each kind. Then in 2 weeks, we'll plant these over here, and that'll give the spinach time to mature and get picked. And then we will plant the last one here. So we're going to plant at 2-week intervals to kind of spread out the harvest, since bush beans tend to come all at the same time. With bush beans, you want to plant 9 plants to a square. And so I'm just going to loosen up the soil here. And I'm just going to go ahead and make 9 little holes right here. We'll go ahead and plant this back one in Antigua. So we'll just cover those up. And now we'll plant the other one. And in 2 weeks, we'll plant the next set of squares.
Thanks for watching. We have other quick tips. Just subscribe below.